Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to make a simple omen poster design. Let's get started. Now, as always, create a document with 1080 by 1350. I'll leave you a document in the description contain all the photos and the PSD. Let's color the background to match the colors of omen. Here is the color I used. You can copy the code and use it. Set the layer to overlay. Here you can add some adjustment to match the colors perfectly, and don't forget to create clipping mask. And now select the background, the rectangle and the adjustment, and merge them to be in a one layer, and name it background. Now add two layers, one for lights behind omen, and one for the text we're going to use. Now select the other layer, and set a darker color. Now add a text layer, the font name as always in the description, it really fits omen's energy. Now, it's time to add omen abilities icons, and try to align perfectly the icons and the text. Now add a square with no fill, only a white stroke. Make sure the width and the height are equal. Add the logo in the center of it, and color it white. Now to finish this, let's add some adjustment. And here we go, it's a really simple design for beginners. If you like the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe. If you have any questions or obstacles, let me know in the comments.